Right, so I'm doing a quick demo of the new CPS software. I've been testing it for a few days and it's just gone public, so I'm allowed to talk about it. Version 1.14 for the Anytone 878. Now in here, I've already flashed it to the radio, but in here there's a few settings I want to show you. In digital function, group call hold time. I've sent mine to infinite, and what that does, when you long press the 0 button, you press the bottom right, the hash button, change it to talk group, then you type in a number, you press transmit, and it stays connected for this amount of time. So now it will be infinite. And private call was not working very well. I'd key up, I'd speak to someone on private call, and if you weren't careful they vanished. They've sorted out private call. We've been testing this and they call it person call, but it's private call, and if you set that to infinite, and I mean I've already got it on the radio set up like this, but this video is assuming you've got your settings like this. So in a minute I'll do a private call, and we've got display. In display I requested a couple of months ago now, in fact I did a video on this and I got told off, I had to take it off. I asked for more choice of colours. Call sign display used to be only, I think it was only red, and I say could we have 7 or 8 different colours, and now we've got these colours for your call sign. And channel name, by default it's orange. You've now got these colours for your channel name, but I also found out this applies to the VFO as well. So if you're in VFO mode, everything is in this colour. I think green looks very nice on the video, you'll see it, but where you can see the channel name at the top, USA Nationwide, that's green, but it doesn't show up very good on the video. So that's the colours, and just so you know, this applies to the VFO mode. And I'm now going to call someone on private call, so I don't need to apply it because I've already done it on the radio. I've got it on the radio, so I'm going to call someone on private call. So I'm just bringing up their details on my phone, so I don't have this person in my radio as a contact, so all I know is this number. So I'm going on the radio, I'm going to press the bottom right button. No, I'm not. Long press the 0 button. I'm getting ahead of myself. Long press the 0 button, and it comes up private call, and using the bottom right, the hash button, you can change it to talk group or private ID. Talk group is to just type in a talk group to go to, so if you want to disconnect or you want to type in another talk group, you can go there. It's always best to disconnect. Or private call. Now this works fantastic. We've been testing this over the past few days, and I was in the middle of a test with it and my home internet went off, the router went off. There was a problem. My internet went off, it came back, and the person I was testing it with was still there. So infinite is infinite. So I'm just going to call someone on private call. I'm going to type in their number and press transmit. So I'm going to do it off the camera. So I'm just typing in the number. Just going to check I've got it right for the video. Yep, got it right. I'm going to press transmit. So I press transmit, that has linked me to the person. Now it's always good etiquette to tell them I'm on a private call. So if they were on a repeater, if they were on a talk group on a repeater, they might think they're still on, they might think I'm on that repeater. So I'm going to say private call to Fred. Yeah, private call to Fred W1FJF.
U1FJF. Hi, Chris. Yep, you're connected.
Yeah, okay, I'm speaking a bit away from the microphone because I'm got an awkward setup here. But yeah, loud and clear, and this is private call. So I called you. Did you have me in the radio already? Because I didn't have you.
No, I just had my radio was on standby. Just was not connected to any talk groups, and so it just sits there. And when you called me, I could hear you. You came right through the radio nicely. The receiver turned on automatically, and I could hear you calling. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'll cut the QSO short here because I just wanted to show it working. So thanks for the demo. I'll say 7-3, and I will speak to you later. 2E0 UKH going clear. Cheers.